Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. So excited to announce my February Class to Go kit for the month. So every month I release a kit that is $24 free shipping, and you get to make 2 of each project. So it's 8 projects total, and the kit is obviously included with the $24. That's what you're getting. There are no stamped images, however. I want to make that really clear. Everything that you see here that is stamped, you won't get it stamped. You have to stamp it yourself. So for your convenience, we definitely have supply lists over on my blog at loveandstampin.com so that you can purchase the stamp sets that coordinate with this. And I should say with 2 of them. And if you visit Katina Martinez's blog, she has her list as well. So we used the Party Panda, the Hedgehogs, the Flamingo, I don't remember what the name of it is, and then We Must Celebrate. You can see that here. So these are the 4 projects that you would make. They're very cute, aren't they? And you get every single piece you see here. So everything's cut out, prepped for you, ready to go. Literally all you have to do is stamp. And the beauty of these is that really you could substitute any stamp set you wanted to. So even if you were like, I don't have these stamp sets and I didn't really plan on purchasing them, totally fine. We understand that. We totally get that you may not have plans to purchase any of the ones we used. So you can either purchase different ones or you can use some that you already have. But all the papers, all the pieces are going to come to you cut and ready to assemble. The little box will come to you as well. It'll be ready for you to assemble. And then the die cuts that you saw on the one card that the box is sitting on top of, the number 2 and the U, those are die cut for you. So everything's die cut and prepped, packaged beautifully, so that all you have to do is get it out and create. And then we email you a link to the video, the exclusive videos. And it's actually when you purchase the kit, you're going to receive an email that's kind of like a receipt. And in that will be a downloadable paper. And you will have links to the videos. And you need to copy and paste those links into a browser. So that's how you will watch the exclusive videos. And of course, if you have any problems, you can always contact me by emailing me, or you can leave a comment on my YouTube or my blog, and I'll get it that way as well. So I hope that you purchase a kit. I hope that you think they're cute as we do. We love them. They're bright and cheery and going to get you all ready for the new year with fun stuff. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. I almost left you too soon. You can click on either one of these to watch the video, and another video. And if you want to purchase these kits, the link is in the description below the video, or you can go over to my blog as well, and the information is there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.